Okay, 30 seconds into this video, and I swear technology is failing me lately. Hey guys, so I know I look a little not great and may not be the best filming scenery and lighting and all that stuff, but it's been a long day. And I got home from work, but I wanted to film this unboxing because this package just came today and it's something that I've been waiting for 2 months now. So I pre-ordered this item while I was in Nashville for the Taylor Swift concert, and just take one guess at what place I ordered it from. But I have my handy dandy box cutter and we're gonna open this. In here we have the Taylor Swift Polaroid camera and I'm so freaking excited. Oh my god. Oh my god. I also got 2 packs of the film, and oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this. But I have a Polaroid camera. Actually, it's a legit like Polaroid. Actually, technically this is my 3rd Polaroid because I have a Polaroid that's from the 90s, like that we used to use, and I have a newer one which is like the same size as the Instax Fujifilm, the mini. Yeah, the mini, but mine's a Polaroid brand. But this is one that I actually want, like I kind of wanted when I saw it before I even knew about the Taylor collaboration. But it's the Instax Square SQ6, and this one takes square pictures, which I really like. So now I have the option to take square pictures or the little rectangular ones. Oh my god, I'm just so excited. Like, when I found out about this collaboration, you know I had to buy that, and I pre-ordered it. Literally, I found out about it and I pre-ordered it ASAP. I was literally like by the stadium, bought it. But it has this strap and it's gold and black, and yep, these 3 like colors, which are just covers for the flash. And then oh, this I think it's a case for pictures, and it's black and it just says Taylor Swift and it has her signature on it. And here's the actual camera. So let's do a little review. So the camera is black and gold, actually, and silver. And here's the flash. And this one is also digital, from what I remember. And then on the back it just says, it just has her signature. Yeah, and all the little buttons and the usual stuff you get with a Polaroid. I'm very, very excited about this. Oh, and the strap, it says Taylor on it. So this is the strap for the camera, and I don't know how to put it on right now. And then here, I'll show you a close-up of the film. It just has Taylor on the front, and I got 2 packs. Yeah, so this video is a mess. I know, I'm really sorry. It's super late, but I wanted to open it and I wanted to film it. So this is the best that we're gonna get, and I'm just so freaking excited because I do really like photography. I'm not great at it, but I like it. So to put film in it, you open the back. Let's go ahead and put some film in this bad boy. And let me try and take a picture maybe. But to turn it on, you just flick the switch and boom, there we go. So this is my Taylor Polaroid camera and I'm so freaking excited. Okay, my room's a mess. I'm gonna take some pictures, and yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this mess of a video, and leave a comment down below for other video ideas, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and if you want, I have a bunch of other Taylor related videos on this channel, so I'll leave a link down below to my Taylor playlist if you are a Taylor fan. And other than that, thank you for watching this video. Bye.